Welcome back to another Bolt tutorial. In this video, we'll explore real-time collaboration and how you can simultaneously work on the same project with other team members. This means that everybody on your team will be able to work in the same project at the same time and receive real-time updates with the same agent chat window. Furthermore, integrations are now shared, which means that you can all act on and edit your Stripe and Bolt database integrations. The project creator is now no longer the gatekeeper to your database, and anybody can edit it. This includes your tables, authentication, server functions, user management, file storage, and more. So let's dive in and see it in action. The first thing you'll notice is when person A starts typing in one window, person B will see that they're typing in their window. This helps you understand who's working and when, but won't show their prompt until they've submitted it. Also, in the top right of the project, you'll notice that the avatars of everyone who has the project open will be displayed. When person A sends off their prompt, person B will see it in the agent chat window. The agent's thinking and actions will be displayed to both members in real time. To control the privileges of members in your project, click on Share in the top right, and here you can see who has editor, viewing, or co-owner status. Access can be generalized across everybody in the team or customized on a per-user basis. Now let's explore the ramifications, what this means regarding your database. Previously, only the project owner could modify the database, leading to significant restrictions for all the other users. Now, any project collaborator is able to modify the database schema and data. Let's go through an example. If we look at the database, we can see it has 3 tables: flashcard, waitlist, and theme preferences. Here's our prompt. Please add a report a bug section directly above the footer on the landing page. It should save the bug report to the database and build. The agent's added the bug report section, and if we look at the database, now we'll see bug reports. Let's test out the form. Here's our bug, and we'll send our report. We can see it here in the database, and so can the other user. Now let's imagine that the other member of this team has realized that we should include severity within the bug report as well. Notice that the database only contains ID, title, description, email, page URL, user agent, and created at. Let's add a severity column. Here's our prompt. When reporting a bug, the user should indicate the severity as well. Choose between low, medium, high, and critical. This is a required field. Make sure to add it to the database and build. We can see live updates across both users. Now diving into the bug reports table, we can now see that severity has been added to the database. Previously, everyone except the project owner couldn't change the database. They could only make UI changes. That has been fixed today. The shared integrations don't stop there. Not only does it apply to your Bolt database, but it applies to your Stripe integration as well. Now you may be wondering, what's the difference between an editor and a co-owner? By making somebody a co-owner, you now enable them to unpublish the project, change the domain name, modify the authentication methods, and even share the same secrets. If you decide to connect your project to GitHub, by clicking the GitHub icon in the top right, please note that changes made by other users will only apply to that repository if the original GitHub owner is online. Only the project creator can connect to GitHub. If the project creator leaves, all of the other members are still able to prompt and make changes to the project, but note that these changes won't sync to GitHub until the original project creator returns to their project. As soon as they do, these project changes will automatically sync. So there we go. In this video, we've covered how real-time collaboration impacts your project and the integrations associated with it. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next Bolt tutorial.